Hi, I'm Richard Idland, the founder of the Greater Good Academy, and I developed this 8-week program to help particularly low and moderate income entrepreneurs gain a better understanding of the benefits that triple bottom line and sustainable business practices could have on their companies.
You know, I think the Greater Good Academy has really identified itself a very unique niche. You know, something that people perceive to be small and unimportant. But when you really look at the success of a small business owner, whether they're medium-sized or large, they do all the same things. It just takes them longer to realize what they should be doing. And embedding those seeds of giving back to the community, being socially responsible, to allow them to not only sustain their company, but their community, I think that's a fantastic message.
One of the most helpful things I have received from the Greater Good Academy is heightening my awareness of how to incorporate green practices, but more than incorporate them, live by them in my daily life and beyond. I loved the Greater Good Academy. It was much more enlightening and inspiring than I could have ever imagined, and I would highly recommend it to an entrepreneur at any phase.
I came to this experience having no business background, so really just kind of formalizing my knowledge in terms of how you conceive of a business, how you implement that conception into something, a formal plan, and start slowly stepping out into, seeing it come to life. It's been a really great experience.